the definite integral of x squared plus 1 over the square root of x dot dx. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this as x squared over the square root of x plus 1 over square root of x. And then I'm going to try and bring it into a single value of x. So this, remember, is like x squared over x to the power of a half plus 1 over x to the power of a half, which can be rewritten as 2 minus half is 3 over 2, 1.5. And this one over here is negative a half, like that. So if I'm integrating from 4 to 9 of this function, technically the same as this function, so I can just write that in place of that. Now what I do is I am going to add 1 and then divide it by 3 over 2 plus 1 in the next step, plus 1, negative half plus 1. And so that will become 3 over 2 plus 1 is like 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2, which is 5 over 2. So x to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 is 2 over 5. Minus half plus 1 is a half, so x to the half. Half minus half plus 1 is half as well, so this will be actually 2x to the power of half. And that will be from 4 to 9. What I need to do now is substitute the 9 first into the expression. So we're going to have 2 bracket 9, 5 over 2 over 5 plus 2 bracket 9. And once I get that, I'm going to subtract when I substitute 4 in there. So 2 bracket 4, 5 over 2, 5, and 2 bracket 4 to the half. Okay. Putting the first expression into a calculator will give me the following. Okay, it's putting the first expression into a calculator. 2 bracket 9 to the power of 5 over 2 plus 2 times 9 to the power of a half comes to 103.2. Putting the second expression into a calculator, 2 times 4 to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 plus 2 times 4 to the power of half will come to negative 16.8. And then putting those two on a calculator will come to final answer here, 86.4 for that. Okay. And what we actually have found is the area underneath the curve. Right. The area underneath the curve. And this can also be written as a fraction if asked. It'll be 432 over 5. Okay.